Hey guys, it's Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your properties. Today we are going to be doing one of our commercial properties for dumpster pad cleaning. One thing they want is all the illegal dumping be taken away, put in the dumpster. This goes all the way back here. We done this Harbor Freight location twice beforehand. This one's believe it or not, this is one of the better times I've done over here. First time there's human feces. Second time there's a bunch of needles and drugs. I'm guessing there's going to be needles and drugs here again because it's a very high, dense, homeless location. A lot of homeless people camp out right behind here or whatever. But you know what? Hey, I love the business, so let me get this cleaned up. We're going to do, like I said before, put all the illegal dumping into the dumpsters. After that, going to be pressure washing the concrete. Make sure when you do this, you're wearing a mask. I'm going to be wearing a mask later on, hopefully. If I have it in my truck, I think I might have forgot it, but that's okay. But also have really thick rubber gloves. Don't want to get poked and pricked by anything. You just don't want that stuff on your skin. You don't want to be injected with anything. So yeah, let's get going.
Alright guys, we're going to be starting off this illegal dump removal and concrete cleaning for the dumpster pad off with removing the illegal dumping and putting it into the dumpsters. All we're using right here is going to be a shovel, some thick rubber gloves, and also some thick soled boots. There were a lot of dirty syringes here in this little area, so I want to make sure we're using the proper PPE and being careful and really pay attention to where we're stepping and what we're picking up. So after we get done with all this illegal dumping, put it into the dumpsters ready for the trash, or for the trash guys to come pick it up. We're going to be pressure washing. For the majority of the pressure wash, we're going to be using the pressure washing wand to get in between those dumpsters, get behind them because the surface is a little bit too big. But yeah, look at all that illegal dumping right there. It's disgusting. Really bad situation out here for the Harbor Freight out in Turlock. But you know what? They got us to come clean it. So now we're going to be using the pressure washer wand to get behind between everywhere for those dumpsters and the dumpster pad cleaning. And then we're going to be reading that surface cleaning in here pretty soon. Alright guys, well if you'd like to, please subscribe, comment any questions that you have. This has been Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property.